If you're a local estate agent running ads on Google, here are my 13 tips to help you succeed. Now, tip number 1 to help fixing your Google ads is make sure that you've got all the tracking in place on your website. Tip number 2, make sure that you're taking advantage of remarketing. Tip number 3, make sure that you've got negative keywords in your ad campaign. Tip number 4 is making sure that the keywords are on your ad are also on your website. Tip number 5 to help fixing your Google ads is make sure, or where possible, use landing pages versus full on websites. Tip number 6, give it time. Google ads isn't a set and forget and a silver bullet. You've got to give it at least a month worth of learning before you get the results. Tip number 7 for fixing your Google ads is ensuring that your search impression share report is showing over 70%. Tip number 8 for fixing your Google ads, make sure that your campaigns are separated by ad group. Tip number 9 for fixing your Google ads is making sure that you take the advice of the Google rep with a pinch of salt. Tip number 10 for fixing your Google ads is making sure that your location settings are correct. Tip number 11 for fixing your Google ads, make sure you're constantly testing out new ad groups and new ad headlines, making sure that it never goes stale. And tip number 12, of course, it's ads. So prepare to fail and make sure that you learn from your mistakes. So you just need to look at the data and make sure that you read the data. Tip number 12 for fixing your Google ads, stop relying on the one ad. You need lots of different ads all working for you to get the one result. And tip number 13 to fix your Google ads, don't forget, guys and girls, you've got YouTube, you've got the display network, which enables you to reach thousands of people for almost free.